everyone. Today's I am discuss 10 best face massage tools for reducing puffiness, firming skin, and relaxing muscles. Skincare is self-care, and at-home face massage equipment has made this increasingly clear. A few minutes spent rolling, stone rolling, or wanding your skin can leave it appearing firm, lifted, and bright. It also feels amazing and helps relax stiff muscles. Facial massage stimulates blood circulation and lymphatic drainage, explains Suzanne Friedler, MD, a board-certified dermatologist and clinical instructor at Mount Sinai Medical Center in New York City. Lymphatic drainage is the movement of fluid that can accumulate in the soft tissue of the face and around the eyes, causing a bloated appearance. Following 10 best face massage tools. 1. Face cooling globes. 2. Herbivore rose quartz gua sha. 3. Rose quartz crystal facial roller. 4. Mini depuffing jade facial roller. 5. Face trainer beauty roller skin. 6. Luna 3 available on Amazon. 7. Navibe RX Amethyst Beauty. 8. Face Sculptor. 9. Layla's Depuffing Face Roll. 10. Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. And like, share, and subscribe.